Hello, what's up guys, welcome back in new tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix the theme is missing the style.css style sheet. So let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard and hover over an appearance, click on themes, then add theme, upload theme and choose file. And this is the theme which I have downloaded from the end button. Now I want to upload it, so click and open, then install now. You can see it shows an error. The package could not be installed. The theme is missing the style.css style sheet. Now we have to fix it and we have to upload the theme perfectly. So go to the download folder where I have kept my theme. This is the theme which I have downloaded from the Envato. So now I have to unzip it. So click and extract it. Then again open it. And this is the theme folder, so click and open it and themes. Then you can see this is the main theme and child theme. I use Marketo theme. So if you use another theme, then the folder structure can be different, but main thing is the perfect or right theme file will be theme name.zip. Like, let me explain it. If you use Classima theme, then your theme file will be, let me explain it like this way, classima.zip. Then again you use Avatar theme, then the right theme name is, theme file is avatar.zip. Okay, if you use Astra theme, then your theme file is astra.zip. okay, so you have to upload this type of file. So okay, appearance, themes, add theme, then upload theme, choose file, then this is the unzip folder, themes, and this is the my theme, so marketo.zip, then open, install now. Okay, successfully the theme is uploaded. So now you can see theme installed successfully and activate it. Okay, successfully we have uploaded our theme and activated it as well. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more video like this.